it's Christienne Campo. Today I'm gonna open this. Hi guys, this is the LOL surprise hashtag hair vibe.
Call mo ako pag gusto mo na help.
I need help.
Hindi siya masyadong
Sabi mo na.
We're gonna open it now. Oh, I got a paper. It's there is a strapping street skirt. Supposed to be lapit na. Excited ako! I'm done. I'm gonna open it now. Can you help me? Give it to me. Kung sino inside. Kung sino inside. Open ko. Oh, I broke this. Here is what's inside the egg.
Open.
LOL bishop. LOL hair clip. LOL legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 LOL surprises. And then we're gonna open one LOL surprise. And let me open it now. And who's inside? Who's inside? It's supposed to be this one! Her name is Black Belt. Here's what I got. Black Belt from Athletic Club. It's supposed to be, I'm gonna open it. Let's see what inside. How is this supposed to be? Where is it? She got a headband! Just like you. It's so cute, her headband. I'm gonna open the next one. It's his brushing hair cat. Her hairbrush is so cute. And let's open this color. Just take it to the end. Wait, it's a shoe. Her LOL shoe. Now I'm gonna put it right. Now I'm gonna open this next. I'm gonna open this. It's a drink LOL. You're supposed to be to put water. You're supposed to be to put water in it, right? It's supposed to be to put water and drink it to LOL. I know how to open it. Her hair is so... What is today? I don't know what is it. What is this? We need to open another one too. It's the hair. Put it right here. And I made the last one. I'm gonna open it. It's his shirt! A shirt and then a dummy. And we got the hair. Hair of black belt. So put her hair. A few moments later. Oh, look at cool. That's so cool. Oh, look at cool. Cute. Oh. A few moments later. I'm gonna put her water just away from me, okay?
Just wait for me, okay?
A few moments later. Wala na siya ng water. This is my finished LOL. Her name is Black Belt. That's my finished LOL. And she's so cute. I like her. I'm her character. It's so cool. Bye. Love you. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.